goes.
Nose goes.
Nose goes.
Not
Looks
doing
like it's
shit.
McGill, bro.
Not doing it.
DW.
Well,
doing it.
you got really little dick energy right now, McGill.
I could have said I'm not doing something. We don't have to be a flashlight bitch when you got a flashlight in one hand with a
Fucking whore.
weapon.
You
in
can't
the other.
shoot.
I'll do
You
it, I
can't
don't
shoot
care.
the
Being a
bow
fucking
or
whore right now.
gun.
Equip.
You have one in you.
And where's my spear? There it is. And equip. Okay, I'm here. I'm queer. Get used to it. Fuck me. Oh, enter cave. Okay. Goose me, guys. Hello. Hello.
Open your door.
Hello. Oh, I didn't mean to interrupt your clan party.
You can see in the goddamn newspaper the light in it. Fuck me.
Ah, shit.
Make sure you're getting all the 9mm ammo too.
Oh, my bad.
What 9mm ammo?
Oh, is that what I'm collecting?
There's 9mm ammo over here. Just considering now that we have 9mm.
I collected some.
Alright, well I'm waiting over here because it's fixing to get really fucking creepy up in this cave.
Yep.
I'm waiting for a light. I don't have a light. There we go.
Oh, I got a light.
Flashlight then, dumbass.
How many grenades and C4 charges does everybody have?
You don't even have a fucking
I got a
bow.
couple grays.
Pull your flashlight out.
Got
I
two.
got
I got 2 grenades.
I don't know
Three
how to. I
C4s,
don't even know how to fucking
two
crouch,
grenades.
guys.
We don't have to kill it. We can run
Right
past
D-pad.
it.
R3.
No, you're not gonna run past it. There's a fucking them fucking jaws looking motherfuckers. There's like 4 of them up here.
Tell me how me and Cat run past him.
Alright, we're good up until we get up here.
I don't know how to pull out my flashlight, so.
You gotta go in your inventory and equip it. Alright, follow me.
Ooh, it's a fluffy. Oh. I'm following you.
I wouldn't go that way. I would not go that way. I'm fixing to help you. See, that's
Oh.
why he's right in front of you.
Dumb bastard. He charges you, so watch out.
Do I need to throw flare? Ah! Bitch! Bitch!
There's a bitch over here.
Bitch!
Fuck. I just pieced one up. The other one almost fucking killed me.
I'm getting my axe back out. Hold on. Come here, bitch.
Alright, while y'all are doing this, I'm gonna equip my flashlight. I don't even have a flashlight.
Beat her ass.
There it is.
And you didn't collect it.
I did.
Where's this cocksucker at? Oh, he's right there. Oh, he almost got me. Almost, pussy. Oh, shit.
Oh, you
The
bitch!
fuck?
Oh, he's in there with y'all. Oh! Get him locked down!
He's dead.
Oh, we can get the armor off of him. We can use their skin as armor.
Oh. I was wondering.
Does he have armor or no?
His skin is the armor. That's why he got skinny.
Oh, I can't fucking skinny. It's not letting me.
Probably because he already skinned it.
Oh, this guy right here. I can skin him. Damn, y'all just left me that quick. That's fucking crazy.
I'm following DW.
I'll follow you, I guess, bro. Crucial dip.
Yep, and we're
Your
here.
light on. I'll hold my bow.
What'd you say, DW?
Said we're here. This is where the rebreather is.
Yeah, it's further down.
And there's food too.
Yeah.
Somewhere in this cave. I don't remember exactly where.
I got a leg. Oh, why am I eating this leg? What the fuck?
You can eat
Okay.
them.
Cannibal.
You can put them on the drying rack and dry them out and it'll be edible.
Oh, Hey, there's a shark in here.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
We don't have to
I
go
think
into
that's
that
where
water.
I'm only seeing one.
Alright, pick your rebreather up, big dog.
I gotta find it.
There's food.
there's a
and
taser
water
in here
over
too, somewhere.
In this cave?
I think it's in this one. It might be in the other one
It
where
might
the
have
fucking
been.
shovel is.
Might have been upright because there was way upright back there. So I think that's where you need the grappling hook.
Oh, dude. I can't see. I cannot see.
Fuck is
Can't
that?
see?
You hear that shit, Beavers?
Yes, I don't like it.
Some fucking moaning over there.
Bitch! Bitch!
I got bones.
Oh,
Somebody just
Oh,
jumped
we're
in the
dead.
water?
We're
Who's
dead.
that bitch?
What? Or
You
I
guys
dipped
didn't
on.
come to us.
I'm fucking stuck!
Here, Beavers. I know how to
On
get
a
back there.
grenade.
Oh, fuck!
You gotta double
You
jump
might
up
die
it.
from that.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I died. I died.
I'm coming. We're coming.
I got him.
I fucking died. You killed that guy?
Yeah, I fucking killed him. I threw a grenade at him, and that's why he died.
Oh,
What? Well, hold on. Let me
He
let me
killed you.
re-get my shit. Let me get
Boy,
re-get
I
all my shit.
I had to save him, man. Grenade was the only way.
Oh, fuck, dude. That thing fucking scared the shit out of me, dude.
Yeah, I seen him, and I ran behind you and ran him fucking into you instead of behind you.
What the fuck was that thing, dude?
That's Jaws. I call him Jaws.
Oh, let's go.
I think
Holy
you might
fuck.
be lost.
There's a
I'm not
skull.
100.
Oh, dude. That scared the shit out of me.
There's another one. I'm pulling
Scared
out my axe. You got grenades? Pull out grenades just in case.
It's up in the box.
Why didn't you guys go get the rebreather?
Black box.
Where?
Oh, hold on, dude. You're all the way in front of me, man.
We're in the same cave. We just went down a different tunnel.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
There's more
Guys.
shit in here. There's ammo right here.
There.
Oh,
Did y'all get the rebreather shit?
Yep.
yeah.
Not yet.
No, they did.
Yeah.
Well, they
So
did,
we
yeah.
We thought you were following us.
I was following this guy. I didn't want him to be by himself.
There's music on up over here.
This is where the taser is.
Where at? Oh.
Down here.
Damn, me and Cap were in this fucking cave too. We didn't even go all the way down here. Fuck.
There's babies.
Motherfucker.
Careful.
Ew. They're ugly.
It's hard for them to hit you, but they're fucking. When they hit you, they pack a punch. Taser's up there on the hand.
Hey, y'all want to see something cool? Look through this fucking door. Or this little hole right here.
Oh,
What the fuck is that thing?
that blobbery motherfucker. Is he the end boss?
That's one of them dudes that fucking...
Oh, gross.
How do we get to him?
You can't. As far as I know, I haven't really fucking explored
What is
a lot.
that thing?
I think it might
That's
be the,
one of them-
down the other way in the cave.
Fish boy, come on.
Dude, I just fucking hit you and it did nothing?
Takes two hits. to
I'm
kill him.
almost dead.
Oh.
There's a kid's shoe in here. Fuck.
I mean,
Let's go get the rebreather and get the fuck out of Dodge.
yes, I agree on that.
There's another cave over here.
Yeah, DW. Okay, I'm coming with you then.
Oh,
So
I
we can
think it
explore
ends.
it.
Hold on.
Oh, there's more fucking.
Yeah, it ends.
Oh, I am maxed out on
Oh my.
whatever these are.
Flares. Flares.
Yeah, players. There's like 4 more there.
Me,
I'm right behind you.
me and you just stick together because we already fucking got
That's what I
the
figured.
rebreather.
Yeah.
I'm going
This
for the
dude-
rebreather.
That's why I
Yeah,
just
this
followed
dude, dipped out on me.
you. You'll see him.
Runs fast.
Don't jump in the water because there's a shark in there.
That's an easy fix.
Oh yeah.
That's a 9mm to the head and he's done for.
Hey, I was saving the ammo. Might need it.
Flashlight's about to die.
I wasted a whole mag on one of them
That's
fucking ugly fucking Jaws looking motherfuckers.
I got more batteries though, randomly.
Well, how do I
dude.
not go in the water?
Go around to the right.
I don't think this is the same water you were referring about because this is very
Probably
shallow.
not.
I don't know where the fuck I'm at, to be honest with you.
I don't either. You're all the way.
This might be
to the
pretty
right.
dangerous.
We're going to the cave exit.
Oh, okay.
I might be in a dangerous spot.
Make sure I didn't miss anything. Why can't we grab this laptop?
Because if you smack the laptops open, you can get the motherboard out of them so that we can make bombs.
Okay, here we are. I see dude over there.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Go get that fucking.
Alright, where is this rebreather at?
Right here.
Alright, I gotta. Oh shit, my character's tired. Set up a
Is
target.
it darkness? Oh, it's dark.
Yeah.
Where's that Sharky at?
Got out of
I killed him.
Oh, you already killed him?
Yeah,
Wait,
he
I
did.
Whoa.
Yeah, I want to see what the
Here's some
rebreather looks like on.
stuff.
Got this.
Molotov
way.
stuff and MREs.
Alright.
Where'd they go?
Stick.
Do we need
We're outside
bones?
of the fucking thing now.
I'm jumping in.
Fuck. Can't go to sleep because they're not with us.
Damn.
Well, give us a second.
What is that?
Alright, I'm gonna eat an MRE. Fuck, I probably shouldn't have ate because I'm about to just go to sleep anyways. Fuck.
Yeah, I learned that the hard way.
Leaves? Where do you find?
You guys almost out?
Yeah, we're almost at the entrance part.
Well,
Where are
make
the
y'all a
leaves
tent when y'all
kept?
get out. Right here, Beavers.
No,
What are you
I'm
trying
Uh,
trying to find out where these leaves are. Apparently, I have them.
They're right below your fucking, hold on.
They'll be right by under the feathers, under your.
Yeah,
candy
right under
bars.
your feathers.
Feathers? I ain't got no feathers.
Under the candy bars and pills.
Fuck, I lagged.
Oh, I found it.
All right, I'm gonna put my character into sleep. Y'all just make y'all's own camp. Fucking Kelvin, the fuck? Where'd you come from?
Well, we're here.
Can I get eaten by a shark over here?
So, y'all gotta teach us how to do this real quick, if you don't mind.
Do what?
What?
How to do the pitch a tent.
You just lay the tarp on the ground, pull out a stick. It'll have an arrow pointing up on the corner of it, and then you just push R2. It'll put the stick under it. Boom.
RT.
R. Yeah.
To catch some Z's, cuz.
Come on.
Hold up. Wait, I gotta find it.
Oh, I'm trying to find the location as well.
I'm very hungry.
We're about to go to sleep anyways. So. You guys gonna?
I got 2 out of 4 now.
What the fuck?
What happened?
What the fuck am I?
The
Oh
dude.
shit! I'm getting attacked. Help, motherfuckers!
I can't. I'm down.
I'm down.
Shit, dick.
I'm down.
Get up. I just got beavers up.
I tried to hold out my fucking shit.
Crucial.
We probably should have made this in the cave, honestly.
Yeah.
Damn, you
If I
destroyed my tent, bitch.
If I respawn, will I lose all my shit?
I'm getting you up. Bitch, shut up.
Alright.
You came and attacked us, motherfucker. Alright, now let's hurry up and go to sleep and stop fucking dicking around.
I need to eat.
We
Alright.
can't, and just a reminder, you can't go to sleep when there's enemies present.
Well, that's
Yeah,
probably
yeah.
why I couldn't go to fucking sleep. Dude, get out of my fucking main menu. Fuck. Three out of 4.
Beavers.
Come over.
I'm trying.
Beavers, come over here. Come over all the way over here.
Trying. Hold on. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Oh, I was making a fire. Okay. What the fuck? It won't give me the option.
Yeah, you gotta find real estate. Please hurry though, because I'm very thirsty. I'm probably gonna dehydrate.
Hold on.
Sounds like there's another motherfucker coming up.
Oh, I had it. Aha, got it. 2 out of 4.
3 out of 4.
4 out of 4.
Good job, guys.
Yay!
Before you do that, let me save. Okay, I saved my game
Oh wait, hold on.
just
Hold
to
on.
be safe.
I was trying to do it too.
Hey guys, isn't this where we fucking started the game?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, we need to get somewhere ASAP for some water.
What I'm looking for.
I am
to the
hurting.
right
Up
over
here to the left.
Here. Who's hurting?
Over here,
Me.
actually.
Come here.
Oh yeah, I need to
Here.
eat.
Who's hurting? Come to me.
I'm gonna eat.
I'm
real
over
quick.
here. You're running away from me.
You mean
LT.
is
Bitch boy, is that who it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Eat.
What are you doing?
I dropped you a fucking I gave you a fucking drink.
Now we need to go get the shovel. Fuck your thirsty shit, bitch.
Ain't- We can't get a shovel until we get the rope gun.
I thought we just needed the rebreather.
No, you gotta. That cave we went to before that one, you gotta zip line in order to
where's
get.
the water at?
Use the
Follow
rebreather.
me. Follow me.
Alright, well, I'm going to try and get the fucking rebreather. Or not the rope
Well, I'm
gun.
by a stream if anybody needs water. So.
That's where I was coming
I don't need any more.
I do.
If y'all want, y'all could go sit up by the fucking shovel.
Fucking dickhead's trying to kill me.
We need the grapple gun. I want to get all the way
Yeah.
before we quit the game. Get out of the game. All the equipment. I should
What I'm
say.
saying though is 2 people can go to the other cave and fucking do whatever, fucking get food, water, or whatever, or explore, and actually, never mind, we all have to have it. Fuck. Alright.
I just made it to the water.
Hopefully we find a 3D printer pretty quickly. So we make canteens.
I know where they are, but
I know where it is.
Fucking-
but- I mean, we can just keep drinking our streams for now. It's not like we're running out very fast.
no.
Oh, I just left. Fuck it.
God, this game looks so good, dude. It's just a beta. Fucking
Does it
crazy.
look-
Early.
Oh, this is the actual game. It's just an early release of the game.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, it's not fully complete, they said.
That's what's up.
Alright,
Lemon beers?
so...
Yeah. I was opening my snack, bro.
Rope gun.
We should build a home right there, dude. That's a big open spot.
I like to build it on the fucking ocean, cause you fucking... They can find a stream, and we can get an endless supply of water. Not to mention it's open. Alright. I think we're like clear across the fucking map from the rope gun, to be honest.
As long as we can find it. After that, we can get a
I'm-
shovel and then get a shotgun.
Yep. Then we can get the maintenance cards. I know where that is too.
The what?
Maintenance cards for underground fucking tunnels.
Cool.
And you get a crossbow.
Yeah, I want to get the crossbow too.
Crossbows are lethal to animals. It's a one shot to the fucking ass.
I want a fucking shotgun. I saw the shotgun like just one tapped one of the fucking.
We got
creatures
spider
that was on
monkeys
here.
on our, and we got a camp up here too.
Yes, sir. Ah, shut up, bitch.
Oh, that's some good music right there.
Holy moose.
A fucking moose?
Yep. There's a bull moose.
Yeah, I got on there, Marie.
You cocksucker. Come here, you little fucker. Come here. Yeah, fuck off. Hey guys, I made it.
Oh look, this is an actual tent, so you could sleep here.
Who fucking
Hey, guys.
I'm fucking loud as fuck.
Found a friend.
Probably me. As fuck.
Oh, it's one of them zombies. He's tied up.
Oh, we can sleep here.
Beat his fucking ass. Bitch!
Oh, that ain't good.
What?
Is there another one up here? I hear breathing. Loud as fuck.
Yeah,
Yeah?
I
There's a
think
whole
there's
ass
another
camp.
one.
There's another camp up here. Oh, it's got a big dude in it. Bitch, I'm gonna
Hold on,
shoot
I
you.
got.